Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, remember that this video reflects my personal experience using the product. We're taking a look at Root, found at https://www.rootd.io, a mobile app designed to help manage panic attacks and anxiety. Root provides a variety of tools and resources designed to assist users in both the midst of a panic attack and for ongoing anxiety management. The app offers a guided breathing exercise called Breathe, which leads you through paced breaths visualized with a growing and shrinking circle. This feature is intended to help regulate breathing patterns during moments of intense anxiety. Root also includes a lessons section that provides information about panic attacks and anxiety, aiming to educate users about their experiences and offer coping strategies. The lessons area covers topics such as understanding the fight-or-flight response, recognizing cognitive distortions, and developing personalized coping mechanisms. Furthermore, the app offers a journal feature to track anxiety levels, triggers, and progress over time. This journaling function allows users to identify patterns and potentially pinpoint specific triggers or situations that exacerbate their anxiety. Another key component of Root is the Visualize tool, which guides users through a visualization exercise designed to promote relaxation and calmness. This technique encourages users to focus on sensory details and create a mental image of a peaceful and safe environment. Root also includes a section with calming soundscapes and nature sounds to help users relax and reduce anxiety levels. These audio tracks can be used during meditation, visualization exercises, or simply to create a more calming atmosphere. In addition to these core features, Root provides access to a collection of short-term coping tools. These tools are quickly accessible and offer immediate support during moments of high anxiety. The app also offers a personalized stats tracker, which allows users to monitor their progress and identify trends in their anxiety management journey. By tracking usage of the various tools and features, users can gain valuable insights into their progress and identify which techniques are most effective for them. Overall, Root aims to be a comprehensive resource for individuals seeking to manage panic attacks and anxiety, providing a suite of tools and resources for both immediate relief and long-term management.